Welcome to this lesson on light waves. In this lesson, we will learn what light is, its properties, how it travels, and how we perceive it. Light is a visible form of energy. It behaves like a wave and has a very short wavelength of 5 times 10 raised to power negative 4 millimeters. Light travels extremely fast, at a speed of 3.0 times 10 raised to power 8 meters per second. There are many sources of light. Natural sources include the sun and the stars. Artificial sources include candles, electric torches, and fluorescent lamps. Luminous objects are those that can generate and emit their own light, such as the sun, a firefly, torchlight, candle. On the other hand, non-luminous objects do not produce light but are seen by reflecting light from luminous sources. Examples are moon, paper, mirror, and clothes. Light is an electromagnetic wave. It does not require any medium to travel. Different materials behave differently with light. Some allow it to pass through, while others block it. When light strikes a surface, it can be absorbed, transmitted, or reflected. Sometimes, all three may happen at the same time. Let's take a look at how light interacts with different materials. Let's start with transparent materials. Transparent materials allow light to pass through fully. That is why you can see through them clearly. Examples include clean glass and clear water. Translucent materials. Translucent materials allow only some light to pass through. As a result, you cannot see objects clearly. Examples are frosted glass or tinted windows. Opaque materials do not allow any light to pass through. You cannot see through them at all. Examples include wood and metal. Next, we will dive into what a light ray and beam is. A ray of light is a straight line that shows the direction in which light travels. It is used in diagrams to represent light paths. A beam of light is made up of many light rays traveling together. There are different types of beams based on how the rays behave. Firstly, we have a parallel beam. In a parallel beam, light rays move side by side and do not meet. An example is the beam from a searchlight. Convergent beam. In a convergent beam, the rays come together at a single point. This happens when sunlight is focused through a lens. Lastly, let's discuss about divergent beam. In a divergent beam, the light rays spread outward. They appear to come from a single point, like from a torchlight. Light does not bend around obstacles. It always travels in a straight path, unless it interacts with another medium. This natural tendency is called rectilinear propagation. The word rectilinear means straight line. Propagation means movement or travel. So when we say rectilinear propagation, we are simply saying that light moves in a straight line. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Got questions or want more topics like this? Drop a comment below, we love hearing from you. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.